Let's explore the index function in Microsoft Excel. The index function is the most flexible lookup function. You will discover the power of returning values from specific rows and columns in any range. The index function returns the value at the intersection of a specific row and column within a given range or array. The basic syntax is equals index, open parenthesis, array, comma, row number, comma, column number, close parenthesis. The complete syntax of the index function is equals index, open parenthesis, array, comma, row number, comma, open bracket, column number, close bracket, close parenthesis. The array is the range or array to search. The row number is the row number to return. The column number within square brackets is the column number to return, and it is optional. Let's consider a simple example. We have a table with data ranging from A1 to B5. The first column A contains the names apple, banana, orange, grape, and mango. Column B contains the corresponding prices, $2.50, $1.20, $3, $4.50, and $5. If we use the formula equals index open parenthesis A1 colon B5, comma, 3, comma, 2 close parenthesis, it will return $3. Let's examine a single column index example. We have a product list ranging from A1 to A6. The list contains the items products, laptop, mouse, keyboard, monitor, and printer. If we want to retrieve an item from this single column, we can use the formula equals index, open parenthesis, A2 colon A6, comma, 3, close parenthesis. It will return the value keyboard. Note that no column number is needed for a single column. Let's explore the power combo of index with the match function. You can combine index with match to create flexible lookups that don't require exact row or column numbers. The enhanced formula is equals index open parenthesis return range, comma, match, open parenthesis, lookup value, comma, lookup range, comma, 0 close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Here's an index match in action example. We have an employee data table from A1 to C5, containing name, department, and salary. The names are John, Sarah, Mike, and Lisa. The departments are sales, marketing, IT, and HR. The salaries are $50,000, $60,000, $75,000, and $55,000 respectively. To find the salary of Sarah, use the formula equals index open parenthesis C2 colon C5, comma, match open parenthesis Sarah, comma, A2 colon A5, comma, 0 close parenthesis, close parenthesis. This will return $60,000. So why should you use the index function? It is more flexible than VLOOKUP. It works with any column direction. It offers faster performance on large datasets. Also, there are no column insertion issues. It is perfect for dynamic lookups, complex data retrieval, and building robust Excel formulas. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.